Snap. Run it. Keep that chin. Score. 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 Head in the hole. Nope. Circle. Score. Come up. Get away.
Off the head. Off the head. Get your belly.
Belly out. Belly out. Belly out.
Come up. Work. Work. He's high. He's high. Hold. Good job. Hey, stay behind him. Up. Off your knees.
Throw it down, Christian. Step and go. High C. High C. Outside single.
Up. 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 Off your knees. Come up. Hey, don't go back to that either. Come up. Get your feet. Get your feet. Tripod knee slide. Tripod knee slide. Knee slide up.
Hey, you gotta wrestle more solid. That stuff doesn't work.
Hey, Christian, watch your position. You gotta turn and face them. If you run your half
Up.
Christian, get one escape. Get an escape. Get your feet. Come out. Get one. Get one. Come on. There you go.
Cut away.
Peterson. Santa Peterson.
Good.
Now get a takedown.
Drive. Drive. Get on top. Get on top. Get behind. Off your knees. Head up. Ha. Left hand. Half. Ha.
Get your head up.
Head out.
Tuck your head out. There you go. Go run it.
Hey, short time. Finish on top. 2 on 1. 2 on 1. Under the arm.
Go some smart here.
Off your knees. Off your knees.
Christian. Christian. Look at me. Hey, Christian.
Jalomo.
Hey, good job. There you go. Good job, Christian.
Christian, look at me. Hey, break down your ankle.
Stay off your knees.
Always top. What's up? 2 on 1. On your hat, put it in your ankle.
Follow. Get your leg back.
Better defense. Don't throw that stuff. Push it.
Get your leg back. Get your leg back.
Wizard.
Face, foot down. You're on top. Up. Come up.
Face down.
Come up.
Face
Right arm out. Right arm around the waist.
Swim
Right arm
right.
around the waist.
Touch the
Right
ball.
arm around the waist. Drive.
Next move. Hey, come up. Come up.
Gotta turn and face him, Christian.
Get to your feet. Cut away. Get one.
Clear the underhook.
Watch the throw. 2 hands. Watch the trip. Hips up.
Wizard.
Wizard. Belly.
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 Get one.
Get one.
Hold it up.
Shoulder down. Good. Come up. Head up. Head up.
Head up.
Come up. Knee strike. Head fight. Head fight. Roll your wrist. Pop the top. Pop the top. Come up. Look away. Come up. 30 seconds. Hey, let's work, baby. Let's work. Let's work.
Peel that off.
Peel that off.
Use your hand.
Use your hand.
Use your hand.
Working on 10. Working on 10. Hey, hey. Quit holding on to stuff. Get away. When he shoots, get your leg back. Up. Face him. Face him. Step. Keep stepping.
Keep going.
Keep stepping. Keep stepping.
Stepping right there.
Hips over. Hips over. Keep going.
Heavy, right?
Hold.
Heavy.
Hold.
Elevate. Superman.
Head up.
Head up.
Head up. Step over.
Head up.
Keep
Lift
that.
his head up.
Keep that.
Keep that position. Don't let it go.
Pull up.
Don't let it go.
Pull up. Pull
Don't
up.
let it go.
Pull up to you.
Don't let it go.
Hey, pull up. Head up.
Get back behind. Get
On
behind. Get
top.
behind.
Circle.
Get behind.
Bulldog. Left hand bulldog.
Get behind
Get behind.
Wrist half. Wrist half. Run it.
2 on 1. Run it.
Run it. Run it. Run it. Wrist half. Run it.
Catch the wrist.
Run it.
Good job.
He's tired.
Upside.
Drive that. Hold that up. 2 on 1. Roll it up.
2 on 1. Chop. 2 on 1. Collect. Collect. 2 on 1. Stay behind him. Stop.
That power.
Run it.
Run it.
Run it.
Put it on his head. Left hand on the head. Jump
Deeper.
this side.
Deep. Upsides. Upsides.
Half.
Up. Break them over.
Wrist half.
You gotta turn them.
Wrist half right there. Run your wrist half. Run
Catch
it.
the wrist.
Run your wrist half.
Catch the wrist.
Run it.
Run it. Move your feet. Move your feet.
Run it.
Move your feet.
Keep on running it. Keep on. There you go. Keep on running it. Keep on running it. Yes.
Hip to the turn.
Heavy
To the
hit.
turn. To the turn. Hey, another one. Another one. You gotta go. You gotta go.